Well, I've drunk to drown. On every ocean I've been. Lake Tanganyika, where the crocodiles swim. Halifax, Nova Scotia, to Van Diemen's Land. Well, I drank with the Sultan down the Suez Canal, 'cause every dog has its day.
And first place goes to Sean Fellner. Sean Fellner.
Volkswagen!
You guys might as well wait there if you want a club picture. We got some more coming up. All right, in our VW Bug Carmen Ghia, kind of the coupe class, runner-up, we could have Luis Garcia up with a 62 Carmen Ghia.
You won first place. Where are you going now?
First place goes to
I'm gonna go drag my bus in the dirt.
62 Bug.